Lesson 10, Service Desk Technologies. This lesson is taken from Concept 4 on technologies and enabling tools. In this lesson, we will identify common support methods and technologies used by the service desk, examine the risks and benefits associated with those methods and technologies, discuss self-service, consider automation technologies, and lastly, to summarize how social media tools can be used effectively. Support methods. Service and support can be delivered in a variety of ways, and each organization has to consider which methods and channels are most appropriate. There are several methods that can be used to provide support. Let's take a look at each one of them. Telephone support, which is probably still the most common and certainly the most traditional form of providing support within the service desk, as most people would prefer to have a two-way conversation. The objective of telephone support are to resolve the majority of incidents and to action also on service requests at the first point of contact. This will help to demonstrate the value and cost effectiveness of the service provided. Usually, telephone support is used to provide first-level support. Although it is increasing these days to see that both the first and second level teams providing support in this way. And it might be used in conjunction with remote support technologies to assist in service restoration. Face-to-face support. The face-to-face support is the provision of support either at customer's desk by sending a technician or an engineer, or on the other hand, at a drop-in center. Take, for example, in a university campus. Often there is a room or a desk where the staffs and students could go to for IT support. Or maybe they can even make a booking of an appointment to seek some help from the IT support team. As for organizations that don't have this as a permanent feature, may run into organizing a temporary IT clinics from time to time in various common areas around the organization. Sometimes it can involve a travel to different sites on a scheduled basis. However, this is a costly method of support, especially if travel is required. Could also cause a possible delay from the time the issue was reported until someone attends to the issue. On the other hand, rapport and mutual understanding can be developed more rapidly in a face-to-face situation. It is easier to walk through a resolution with a customer and teach them how to resolve the incident themselves should it happen again. Remote control. This is one of the common support options used within the service desk these days because it provides the ability to access and take control of a device from a remote location, no matter from where the support is provided. It allows the analyst to view the customer system and perform remedial work remotely, and this can be done instantly, and it can reduce the resolution time. Email support. In fact, email is becoming less common with the uptake of real-time collaboration and other online support methods. However, it still remains one of the most commonly used methods for service desks to send information to customers. For example, a troubleshooting guide or a FAQ document. Email can be a costly form of support due to the manual handling, as it takes someone to manually send this email, and delays created by analysts responding to more immediate methods of support. It is common to find email integrated with ITSM tools and systems so that inbound messages can be handled automatically, and updates to incident and request logs sent directly from the system. However, a quite sophisticated logic is required for effective inbound to be handled in an automatic way,